Here I've got RUGGEAR RG850 and let me show you how to activate and use Safe Mode on the following device. So at first you have to tap on power key and hold it for about 3 seconds and then keep holding on power off icon until you see the notification about rebooting to Safe Mode. If you truly want to reboot your phone to Safe Mode, click on OK. And now just wait a couple of seconds. And as you can see, now we are in Safe Mode. The notification is in the left corner and you can use your device with all third-party applications deactivated. And now you can use your device this way, and whenever you would like to go back to the normal mode with all applications active, smoothly tap on power key, hold it for a while and then click on reboot. And this is it. As you can see, now we are back in the normal mode, so you can use your device as usually. And that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.